Physiotherapy, your friend for shoulder stiffness. Shoulder stiffness can be a real hindrance in your daily life. It can make even the simplest tasks feel like a challenge. Shoulder stiffness can really limit your day. Imagine trying to reach for something on a high shelf or lifting a bag of groceries only to be met with sharp pain. It can make everyday tasks painful and difficult, but there is hope. Physiotherapy offers a range of treatments designed to alleviate this discomfort. Physiotherapy can help you regain movement and say goodbye to shoulder pain. Through targeted exercises and stretches, you can start to see improvements in your shoulder's mobility. Physiotherapy uses exercises to strengthen your shoulder. These exercises are designed to build muscle and support the shoulder joint, making it more resilient to strain. It also helps improve flexibility and range of motion. Flexibility exercises can help you reach further and move more freely without pain. This gets your shoulder moving freely again. Imagine being able to move your shoulder without any discomfort, enjoying activities you love. Remember, it's always best to consult with a medical professional for personalized advice. They can provide a tailored plan that suits your specific needs. They can assess your condition and recommend the best exercises for you. With the right guidance, you can overcome shoulder stiffness and regain your quality of life. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Warming up is crucial to prepare your muscles and joints for the exercises ahead. It helps increase blood flow and reduces the risk of injury. You can do shoulder rolls and arm circles. These movements help to loosen up the shoulder joints and improve your range of motion. Make sure to do them slowly and with control. This prepares your muscles for the stretches. Next are stretching exercises. Stretching helps to maintain flexibility and can prevent stiffness. Try the crossbody shoulder stretch. This stretch targets the deltoid muscles and helps to relieve tension in the shoulders. Gently pull your arm across your body. Be sure to keep your shoulder down and relaxed to get the most benefit from the stretch. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Holding the stretch allows your muscles to lengthen and increases flexibility over time. Now let's strengthen those muscles. Wall push-ups are great. They help to build strength in your shoulders and chest without putting too much strain on your joints. Stand facing a wall and do push-ups. Keep your body straight and engage your core for the best results. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase. As you get stronger, you can add more repetitions to challenge your muscles further. Good posture is key for healthy shoulders. Maintaining proper alignment helps reduce strain on your muscles and joints, preventing discomfort and long-term issues. Whether you're standing or sitting, always be mindful of your posture. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. This simple habit can make a significant difference in your overall shoulder health. It ensures that your muscles are not overworked and helps in maintaining a balanced body structure. Avoid slouching, especially when sitting for long periods. Slouching can lead to muscle fatigue and tension. Hydration is important too. Drinking water regularly helps maintain muscle elasticity and joint lubrication. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports overall muscle function and helps in the recovery process after physical activities. This helps keep your muscles and joints lubricated. Regular stretching and massages can also aid in maintaining flexibility and reducing muscle stiffness. Remember, pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Don't ignore persistent discomfort or sharp pains, as they could indicate underlying issues that need attention. If you experience any sharp pain, stop and consult your doctor or physiotherapist. Professional guidance can help you address the problem effectively and prevent further injury. Your shoulders work hard for you. Give them the care they deserve. Follow this routine regularly to experience the best results. Consistency is key. Make these exercises part of your daily routine. You'll be surprised at how much better you feel. Remember, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard. Over time, you'll regain strength, flexibility, and freedom from shoulder stiffness.